Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. I've got a beautiful property you don't want to miss. Let's check it out.
Beachy Beach.
Welcome into this magnificent 1,250 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. It's been freshly updated, new decor, new couch, new bedding, everything's been updated. But what I love about how these units are laid out is how spacious this is. You've got this grand living room right into this large kitchen. You've got island extra seating. The main bedroom is gonna be overlooking the Gulf, just like everybody dreams. All right, well, let's check out the rest of this unit. Isn't this dreamy? Right from your headboard, you can see the beautiful emerald waters of the Gulf Coast. This room is so expansive. You've got plenty of space, as you can see with all this walking. And of course, it's got an amazing ensuite. You've got dual sinks, a nice large shower, and at least the water closet's a little tucked away. It's awesome. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you for all the added details and photos. All right, don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any other deals like this one.